So Sofwave is the newest treatment that's out that's FDA approved for lifting of the brows, of the neck, and also recently FDA approved for cellulite on the body. So ultrasound doesn't break the skin, just building collagen in the skin. This ultrasound is completely colorblind. All it wants to do is get below the skin, get to 1.5 millimeters, and put the heat right at 1.5 millimeters. We are changing the skin to a healthier skin, building more collagen in it.